beautiful people, welcome to my video. So for today's video, I am going to be making breakfast for the kids with you guys. And by the way, before we start, please make sure that you are subscribed and you like this video. If you did, I really appreciate the support and I hope you had a good day. So first we are going to be heating up the waffles. This breakfast is going to be simple because we don't want the kids to be fully bloated early in the morning. So after we heat up the waffles, we are going to be adding the whipped cream. My kids love whipped cream so much, especially Holly. So the next thing we're going to do is to cut up the blueberries. Now that the blueberries are done, we are going to put them on the same plate with the waffles. I'm glad that my kids like blueberries as much as I do because blueberries are healthy for them and it's nutritious. So the kids got their bib and they're ready to eat. So for the dessert, we are going to be using strawberries. So we'll just combine them and done. My husband loves this so much, and since it's his last day of his day off, I'm going to make this for him. And I'm going to be speeding up this part since I'm just doing the same procedure 3 times. And by the way, thank you so much for my subscribers. I really appreciate the support. And now that we're done with the dessert, thank you so much for watching. And if you stayed till the end, thank you. I really appreciate it. And will you help me reach 100 subscribers by pressing that subscribe button? By the way, not pausing, and thank you so much for staying till the end. You guys can comment some video ideas you guys want, like a house tutorial, some more recipes, and more role plays. I will accept all the comments, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, y'all. Bye!